Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. So today we're doing some work on my car and it's actually leaking oil, bro, and it's a common problem for the N55s. It's my valve cover that's leaking. I kind of suspected this a little while back, but I did not know if it was actually leaking oil, and then I got the low oil level light, so I'm like, damn, bro, it's actually leaking. So I got this aluminum valve cover and I'm gonna change the whole thing and doing it myself. I won't make it like a full tutorial on how to do it because there's a bunch of videos on YouTube, and while I'm doing that I'm just gonna do my brakes and all of that, kind of like a full maintenance, doing an oil change as well. But yeah, the car is leaking oil, bro. It's nothing bad though, like I said, it's a common thing, so this is just like a preventative mod, you could call it. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing that off today. Hopefully I'm done in time, bro, because there's a sick car meet later. It's 11:30 right now. I think I'm gonna start working on my car at like 12:30. So the car meet starts at 7:30, bro, but hopefully I'm done in time because I'm doing a good amount to the car. So hopefully. And I think the trunk clip, I'm gonna try to stick it on. You guys can't even really see it, but I'm gonna try to I'm gonna take it off and use some brand new tape and stick it on again, because right now it's kind of like shaky, bro, and I don't want it to just fly off on me. There's a biker. I think it's just like a 300. Alright, boys, I didn't even get everything I needed because none of the stores had the brake pads, bro. They only had like the front ones, but I'm doing the front and the back, so I wanted to do everything in one go just because I'm doing all this maintenance today. Might as well get it all done, but none of the stores, bro, had the brake pads. I went to Canadian Tire. If you guys are from Canada, you know what that is, but I think I'm just gonna have to order them instead. So for now I only got the oil. I'm just gonna do my oil change as well. I think I'm due for one anyway. Alright, boys, let me know what y'all think about this, yo. I took the trunk clip off, and while taking it off, I'm actually wondering if I should rock no trunk clip or I should keep the trunk clip on there. Right now it has all the tape, so I gotta clean that up, and it's super dirty under there, bro. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Here with my little cousin again, but that's what it's looking like, bro. Let me know what you guys think. Think no trunk clip or a trunk clip? It does look kind of empty. You want to be in the video, Zay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold that camera.
Hold on. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, yo. I'm gonna clean it up though, like I said, because I have to clean it before I put the trunk clip on, even if I'm gonna put it back on. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. Trunk clip or no trunk clip? It's definitely gonna look better when it's all clean, but I'm gonna get all this tape off. This is the trunk clip, and there's a bunch of tape on the bottom of it as well. But yeah, I gotta clean this up. I'll see, bro. I'll see if I put it back on or should I rock it without it. I'm gonna start the valve cover job. Haven't even started that yet. Then I'm gonna wash the car, but first I'm gonna get all of this off. All right, boys, we're a couple hours into the job right now. It's not going too bad, to be honest. I got everything out of the way. My engine bay is not the cleanest. I might clean it today. Like I said, I want to go to the car show, so if I have enough time, then I'll do it. If not, I'll just, you know, give the car a wash, or maybe I won't even have time to even go there to the car meet. But if not, I'll still give you guys a sick little POV, you know, actually pushing the car properly with oil not leaking. If you guys can see, all around that area, bro, is all wet, and if you look, like, there's some, you can kind of see the oil in there, bro, like down the sides, like all down there. Yeah, you can see the oil. So if you guys have a car, it doesn't have to be N55. If it's like that, then more than likely your valve cover is leaking. So it's a pretty big job, but this is what I always talk about in my videos as well. If you can work on your car yourself, bro, you'll save so much money, trust me, because all I had to do was buy the valve cover, and I think it's just the gasket that was leaking. I think my valve cover itself is good, but you have to take the valve cover off in order to get to the gasket. So I'm just going to change it out to an aluminum one. Might as well, because I've heard that these ones can crack, and if it cracks, they're going to have another oil leak. So might as well change it all out and just, you know, do all safety measures and stuff like that. But everything is out the way. I need to clean this engine bay for real, but this is what it's looking like. The fuel lines over there, I had to like learn along the way as well, because the video I'm watching right now, it's 3:33, bro. So I've been doing this for probably like 2 hours, I would say, but it's my first time doing it, and it's really not that hard to work on your own car, bro. Like, trust me, if you have the tools, that's the most important part, having all the tools you need, because you can still do the job with, like, if you don't have the right tools, but it's 10 times harder. Like, having the right tools, it just makes everything like seamless, bro. So it's my first time ever doing a job like this. First time, bro. I have no experience in doing this, but you know, I just like cars. I like to figure this thing out, because whatever car I get next, I want to be able to, like, you know, be able to do everything myself. I know a lot more about cars, and I won't be perfect, obviously not, but you know, me doing all of this, I'm learning along the way. So in the future, I can help myself out. You know, I can do stuff to my car myself. I don't always have to like bring it to a shop. But yeah, bro, it's looking crazy. All the spark plug, the coil sockets or whatever you call that, the spark plug is down in there. I actually took them out. I didn't even have to take the spark plugs out. I don't know why I did, but I took all of them out there just in there because it was raining a little bit too, but it stopped. It wasn't even bad though. But yeah, bro, we're getting there. So all I gotta do now is remove all of these, I believe that's like T25, all these screws. I think there's like 20 of them, and then I can lift the valve cover off, put the new one on, and then I have to reassemble everything. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it to the car show, but like I said, regardless, I'll give you guys a POV because I still have to do an oil change as well after I do all of this. So I'll show you guys what's up though once it's all done, bro. But this is what it's looking like right now. Damn, boys, look at the time, bro. And you guys would not even believe it. I did not do the oil change or nothing like that. All I did was a valve cover, and the whole time I was here. All right, boys, I'm gonna throw it in Sport Plus a little bit, and I'll actually just maybe step on it just a little bit just to make sure it's driving as it should. And it's kind of raining, so I can't even do too much either ways, but I'll see, bro. I was just gonna make another POV probably like tomorrow or something and just put it in the end of this video, but damn, bro, that's my lip, dog. Fuck, that's bad. I don't think I broke it though, definitely not. It's just the bottom of it. But usually I would not even post a video like this because there's nothing crazy in it, but I'm gonna post it regardless, show you guys like the actual reality of owning one of these cars and like working on it. So I didn't even get to wash the car either, but good thing I didn't wash it because it rained. It was not supposed to rain like I said, but it did, so good thing I didn't wash it. But it feels good, it feels normal. There's a check engine light, that's normal, because all the videos I watched on YouTube as well, they said you're gonna get a check engine light, but it should clear up itself. It's just because there's some like air in the fuel lines, but yeah, I think that's normal. It's driving normal, it looks good and everything, but yeah, I didn't even get to wash the car, bro. I didn't do nothing to it. Damn, it's sounding good too. But I'm just pushing it just a little bit until I get on the highway. I'll just cruise, but just want to see what it's like, make sure it's feeling good. It definitely feels and sounds right, that's for sure. But yeah, I did miss the car meet, unfortunately, because of course it's way too late. It's 10:50 right now, bro, and I think I started working on my car at like 12 something or like 1. I'm not sure. I think I showed it in the video though, but it is what it is. I got the job done. It needed to be done either ways, because you know I can't just be leaking oil and just be chilling with it like that, because a lot of people do that, bro. Like some people know they're leaking oil and they'll just keep on topping off the oil, but me, bro, I'm not about that. I know these roads have some bad potholes, bro, but yeah, but yeah, like some people will do that, like we'll just chill with a leak in oil and just keep on topping it off, but that's not me, bro. Damn, kids hyped up. But yo, it's feeling good, so definitely I don't think I messed up with the fuel injectors and all of that. I think I should be good, or the fuel lines or whatever, but I'm sliding like crazy though, because it is raining. The roads are mad wet. It's not raining right now, but the roads are wet because it was raining like not even 10 minutes ago. But it's feeling good and sounds good. I'll see if that light goes away. It should, because they said it's normal. If it doesn't even go away, I can just check the... Yeah, bro, they gotta have cones and everything. That's how bad these roads are. I don't know if you guys can see, bro, but I'm dead ass sliding. There's no traction. My car is rear wheel drive. I bet some of you guys already know that, but if it's your first time watching, it is a rear wheel drive 335i 2012. But yeah, the car feels okay, bro. Sounds good too. I know I've said that like a million times, but downshift. But you guys can see, bro, I'm no mechanic. It's my first time ever doing a job like that. Like, I mean, I've done everything to the car though, like downpipes and everything. I did all that myself, but it's my first time doing like a valve cover, anything like of that sort. Actually, like taking the engine apart, sort of, like not fully, but I did open up the engine, the top of it. It's my first time doing something like that. And if I can do it, you guys can do it, trust me. All you need is the tools, like I said. If you have the right tools, bro, and just make sure there's a YouTube video or something at least, so you can watch beforehand, to make sure you got all the tools and you can sort of know what to expect. But yeah, the car's feeling good. I'm just going to throw it in comfort for now and just cruise because the highway's wet thing. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I feel like I've been talking a lot. But catch y'all again in the next one.